Hello, welcome to the channel of Davy. Today I'm going to tell you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So, let's solve it first. Okay, so let's get started. So, solving the Rubik's Cube, you should know 5 steps first. First is white cross. So just make white cross. This is the beginner's formula. So just make the right cross. This will be white, 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 and white. So first you should find your white piece. This is white red. If you had this case, what red is just insert but it's twisted, you could just rotate it left. Okay, just this and it will go here like that, and it could go here, and then just rotate it down and rotate it here, and then go here, the white red white. So just rotate 2 times upwards and we got the white red here. So, and find another piece first. So we got this this white orange piece, but it's stuck in the blue section. So what do we do? So we just rotate it down, and you see that blue's done, and then you see the orange is here. So you just rotate 2 times, 1 time here, and then just up 2 times, rotate it back 2 times, and you got. So just one more step finishing right cross is you could just find this one here, this one is here. So in this case that you see, and it's when you rotate 2, it was the case was like that. So so you do the steps. So you just rotate it to the orange side. So when you just rotate it down, and then this will broke its orange, and then it will rotate away. Just insert the orange again, and then get the green to green, and then 2 times upwards. You see a white cross down. So, and then the second step is white corners. So for white corners, we need to do this 4 corners here. So, step first, you should find 1 piece, like this piece, white, orange, green. So you just rotate it to the white, orange, green. It should be here. So my piece is here, and then the white must be facing yourself. So to make it clear, you could just make it clear. You could just rotate it this away, and then insert it. You can see white green thing is here. This is the orange white, and when you rotate it back to the white thing, it was done. So another thing, this white, green, red is stuck in here and stuck in the place of red, blue, white. So what you do is just rotate it, out of it, so you could see it's here, and then just go to its side, and it's like this side. So just rotate away, and then just outwards, and then you see they are paired up, and then just rotate the back. So we got 2 here. One is this, and one is this. Great. And then we just have 2 more left. So so in this case, that it's not in right position, so you should have this here and just go downstairs, and then you got this out already, so you just rotate it away, just get it up, and just okay. So and we got the last one is not facing left or right, so it's at the bottom. So what you do is just rotate it away, and then just 2 times up here, and then you rotate this, and it will just slide here, and then do the step again. But this time just rotate it 1 time, and you will see it was in the right position, and then we got the right chorus. So the first step was the second layer. So the second layer, we just need to do these 4 edges right into this place, and so like this piece, you should have this orange, 2 orange, and this blue means it was on this side. So just go down, you could see it 3 rows, and then just rotate the 3 rows back, and then you could see it was at there. So if you have that case, it was a first case, and then wait, so this was the second case. The blue was here, so we should go to the other side, and then the blue up, and then just rotate it back, cut it, and then down back, and then just do it. And we got these 2 here, just rotate it free, make it free, and then just get it back. So like this, you have here, and then just up, and then just here, and just down. Wait, did I just do it wrong? Okay, I did. So go, do it, do it. So the formula is up there. You could watch it. And if it is, wait, like that. So the step you need to do is just bring it out and just insert it again. So just wait. I should like that. So it was up. So you could change it. Where is it? The form is up there. So here you got this. So you could do this, and then this. Okay, and then we got the second layer back. Great. Okay, so the 4th step was the yellow. Well, the 4th step was the yellow face, whole yellow face. First, you need to make the yellow cross. If it is a free line here, so you should make front and then up, right, down, that, and this. Okay, so we got this. The formula is up there. So when you got this shape here, so you need to yourself here and then just rotate it front. Okay, so that's great, and we got it. So the formula is up there. So when we got this one square here, just rotate it here, and then right, and then you could rotate it and just have it right, and just go back. Formula is up there, so you can see it right. Okay, so and then we got the right cross here, and in first case we got the underpants shape. So And the pants two legs should be in front, and then you could have, okay, the formula's up there. And then you got a fishy here, just the head of the fish is at the left down corner, so you could, okay, I got a fish again, so I need to do the step again. Okay, got it. So the formula's up there as well. So this was the next case. Let's have a fishy and then have two of those, but this corner was yellow as well. So you should have this facing yourself, and then you could do it. The step right there. So, and then you got this as the underpants again. And then you got a fishy. And then you got a fish again. So you need to rotate many times. And then the last step was the last layer. So you can see this space was softened. And sometimes it will not soft. So if it is not soft, then it should be like that. This was no tools. So you just random pick one space, and then you could do the formula up there. So, and you could see there's two here are softened. So you just rotate it to back, and then it's the back, okay, my back. So just do the formula at the top again. So, and then you got this. This was the fashion formula, I call it. Okay, so that's free. So what we do is just this one, it would do this to here, and this will rotate here, and this will rotate back here. So let's try a formula. The softed faces at the back. Up there, the formula is. So, and we got the cube soft. So that's another of those. So one more thing. So, okay. You got this. No space is softed, so you just need to random pick it again. Just do the formula, then just up there, and then you got one space, do it. And this time you got this rotate to here, this rotate to here, this rotate to here. So formula's up there as well. Okay, and we got a cube soft. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. And I have a link that is to my more videos. One of the links will be learning to how to solve a 4x4 cube. So if you enjoy it, please like and comment and share to people, and make sure you watch it. Don't make a dislike. So yo-yo. I just make a Lego yo-yo. What do we have here? The Lego yo-yo video was at the link as well. So that was the Lego yo-yo video. Yay! So this was for me today. Bye. See you next time, fellow buddy.